Hawaii is one of the most interesting places on the entire planet with incredible culture, views, and really fun things to do. But it also features some of the rarest birds on the entire planet. In this video, I'll dive into the endemic and native birds to the island of Hawaii, also known as the Big Island. Let's dive in. What's up, everybody, and welcome to Hawaii. Today we're going over the top iconic species of the island of Hawaii, and the first bird on our list, I'm surrounded by them right now, is the Hawaiian amakihi. Now this bird is absolutely stunning. It's a muted yellow color is what I would probably call it, and they kind of remind us of, I'm here with Caleb right there. They kind of remind us of like a pine siskin. They have a squeaking call that really resembles also our gray gnatcatcher call back home. And they have a stubby tail with a slightly down curved bill. This is the first endemic on this list, absolutely stunning species. But let's continue to another spot and see what the next bird is here in Hawaii. Naturally, I didn't see every single one of these birds when I was out searching for them, so there's going to be a little bit of back and forth between the studio and the island. But next on my list is the Akea polau. Now, we searched for this bird for several days with no luck, and this is another yellow Hawaiian endemic that has a very sharp hooked bill and lives in higher elevation forests on the island. It's endangered mostly due to the introduction of mosquitoes, and these mosquitoes are spreading the avian flu, and also these birds only lay one egg every year, so they can't keep up with the reduction in their population. The introduction of rats and feral cats have also played a terrible role in reducing their populations, but again, it's an absolutely stunning bird. Just got another lifer endemic native species, elepau. Absolutely incredible. We got great views of that bird. It's a beautiful brown, white, and black just species here on the island. Very flitty, very difficult to get on film. We've already seen it a couple times, but we finally got it on camera. I can't believe it. So happy to get that bird on camera. That's two endemics, but getting the elepau is absolutely incredible. Caleb got some awesome photos as well, so make sure you go follow him over on Instagram. And I got some photos too, so those will eventually be up there for y'all to see. Next up is a bird that is technically extinct in the wild, but it still exists today, and that's the alala. It's also known as the Hawaiian crow, and of course is a corvid. Now, it's the last survivor of 5 endemic corvid species to the Hawaiian Islands, and unfortunately can no longer be seen on the island itself anymore. They are working on reintroducing this bird to the island, so we will definitely cross our fingers for that exciting moment to come, hopefully in the near future. Next bird on my list is just behind me over here in this park, and that's the nene. This bird is absolutely iconic because it's the state bird of Hawaii. It's also one of the greatest success stories that's ever taken place in the United States, in the world really. These birds were declining rapidly. A lot of introduced species were decimating their populations, and conservationists took action to save the nene, and they've actually done a really great job. They're heavily regulated now. They're heavily, there's a lot of banding programs, just making sure that the populations are staying stable and healthy. A lot of work to do to get things back and fix the problems that humans introduced in the first place. The nene, that's one of the best birds that is in the whole entire island of Hawaii. Next on my list is the alawi, also known as the Hawaiian creeper, and looks very similar to the amakihi. We actually did hear this bird, which was super exciting. It was right above us in a tree. It has a very soft call, but we didn't actually see it and we didn't get it on camera. This bird's also found in the high elevation forests on the Big Island and is being cut down by mosquitoes spreading the avian malaria and other introduced species like feral pigs and goats that are eating up its habitat. Now, who would have thought that habitat loss is a driver towards endangered species going extinct? Okay, I'm currently in Volcano National Park, and so the next iconic Hawaiian species is the apapane. Now, apapane is a beautiful scarlet red bird with a dark, slightly hooked bill, and it lives here on the island of Hawaii, in the Hawaiian Islands. Such a stunning species. It's obviously one of the more common of the Hawaiian endemics, something that you are pretty much guaranteed to see if you check the right spots. We've seen quite a few of them the last couple of days, not as much as the Hawaiian amakihi, but still a lot of them. So Hawaiian apapane, one of the most stunning on this list. We'll move on to the next one in just a moment.
Next up is a bird that we really stood no chance of finding, and that's the Hawaii akepa. This is a stunning bright orange bird that is also endangered like most of the birds on this list. It also enjoys living at high elevations on the island and has a very small footprint of habitat that it occupies on the island. We did search for this one for several days, but like I said before, we had a very low chance of finding it, and the best place to find it is on one of the national wildlife refuges on the island, but you can only access that by a guide, and obviously paying a guide a pretty decent amount of money to go see it.
I'm currently in a kipuka rainforest here in Hawaii, and we just picked up another endemic species, the omao. Now, omao are very, very interesting birds because they'll perch on branches and they make really loud noises, but they'll quiver their wings. They'll like twitch their wings really, really fast. And I was just able to get some on camera over here. Just an absolutely gorgeous species. The next bird on my list for endemics, but let's see what's on the list next.
Now, this next bird I actually did see while I was sea watching from shore, but it was so far out on the water that the video and photos that I took didn't turn out at all. That's the Hawaiian petrel. This bird is endemic to the Hawaiian Islands, but this video is about all of the Hawaiian endemics that you can specifically find on the big island of Hawaii, so it still deserves to be on this list. You can see them from shore if you have a scope, and if it's a stormy day, you'll have an even better chance, depending on if the wind is blowing in towards you, of seeing some of these seabirds close to shore. These are really, really sweet birds, and they do this really awesome swooping motion above the water. And right behind me over here is one of those native species called the Hawaiian coot. Now, these birds are very similar to the American coots that we have over on the mainland, but the Hawaiian coot is absolutely beautiful. It has a very large white shield on its forehead, and it's just a stunning bird. This next bird really kind of hurts. I wanted to film it so bad. It's the iiwi. It features a stunning down-curved orange bill and a bright red body. I actually heard a ton of them on my last day, but I just couldn't get the camera on them, and I only managed to glimpse them for about 3 seconds as they flew up above the canopy of trees. So someday I'll have to go back and film this magnificent creature.
Next bird on my list, I actually just ended up seeing it for the first time ever. Went to go pick myself up some food, is the Hawaiian hawk, also known as the iu, which is what I prefer to call it. Now, the iu is the only hawk species on the island of Hawaii. It's also endemic to Hawaii. Occasionally they will migrate and wander to the other islands, but they typically just remain here. And like I mentioned before, they're the only hawk species on the island. The only competition they have for resources are barn owls and the poeo, which is a short-eared owl subspecies. So, oh, what a cool bird. The iu, been searching for that one for a couple days, and it's one of the most iconic birds on the island of Hawaii.
All right, let me just clarify real quick that the Hawaiian hawk is actually called the io and not the iu like I was pronouncing it earlier. I was just very excited to see it, and that's the only clip or moment that I was calling it an iu. Unfortunately, it was when I was filming. But the next bird on this list is the Hawaiian duck. Now, we actually found what was probably a hybrid Hawaiian duck. They have that darker bill. They look kind of similar to mallards. The problem is that Hawaiian ducks have been mixing with mallards for quite some time now. And so finding an actual pure Hawaiian duck is becoming more and more difficult. And the introduction of mallards to the island could spell the end of this wonderful species. If you learn anything from this video, it's that the introduction of species that don't belong somewhere is terrible for any ecosystem. So keep your pets inside. Don't release anything. Don't go give, the turtle back to the pond. If the thing doesn't belong there in the first place, it shouldn't be put there by humans at all.
All right, so number one on my list for the island of Hawaii's most iconic species is the palila. And I just had one right here, right next to me. Absolutely incredible. This bird, unfortunately, is critically endangered. It relies on a very specific plant called the mamane plant. And it's like a little tree and it eats the seed pods on this. Now that tree has been moving higher and higher in elevation. The temperatures are warming here and its habitat has shrunk. It's only 5% of its original range, the palila. And so to find this bird, this critically endangered species, is incredible. Now we've talked about some incredible birds in this video of iconic species of Hawaii. A lot of these birds are in trouble. A lot of these birds need our help. A lot of these birds are critically endangered or threatened. So if you'd like to support these birds, links to some places you can donate are in the description below. But let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite Hawaiian species? Remember, I'm on the island of Hawaii, but you can pick any species on the Hawaiian Islands that you want. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you all next time on Broad-Eyed Birding Learn.